Wherever you wander on your next motoring adventure, we want to help maximize your confidence for the road ahead. That's why every new Mini comes with no-charge scheduled maintenance. Mini no-charge scheduled maintenance covers many of your Mini's essential servicing needs for 3 years or 40,000 kilometers at no additional charge, including engine oil and brake fluid changes, a complete service vehicle check, air, fuel, oil, and microfilter replacement, as well as spark plug replacement. Plus, your no-charge service appointments can be booked online and completed at any authorized Mini retailer or Mini service center in Canada, where Mini certified technicians will service your vehicle using only original Mini parts. It's just that simple. Every new Mini comes with Mini no-charge scheduled maintenance to cover its essential needs for 3 years or 40,000 kilometers. That way, you're free to chase down any adventure you choose. Contact your nearest Mini retailer today to learn more about no-charge scheduled maintenance or how you can extend your coverage even further with a Mini service inclusive package.